There you go, Rob. Let's see if you missed out on this one. What's going on? New Year, same me. That's how the saying goes, right? New Year, same old me. I don't change. I am who I am. I'm too old to change. Oh, hang on a second. I gotta grab my trash can. Took it to empty it. Ran my waste bin out to the recycle. Forgot it. Here we go. All right, welcome everybody. Everyone that's new, welcome in. I've got a couple of my regulars in here. Welcome back. This video looks like it's about a good 30-second delay, so sorry about that. There's quite a delay in the video, at least it's running right now. I'm Wes, this is Eclipse Breaks. Thanks for joining in. We got 5 boxes of 2018 Panini football. 1 autograph per box on average. There should be 3 parallels in a box. My autofocus is not working like it usually doesn't. I always have to fight with it. There we go. Same stuff, different day. That's right. So there should be 1 auto, 3 parallels, 4 rookies, and 2 base parallels, or 2 base inserts rather, not parallels, and then 10 base cards. So all cards will ship. As always, I got a freebie here for you guys. Gold Rush Football Autograph Extravaganza. So there'll be 20 autographs in this for free. Standard rules will apply. That will go to the team on the card, NFL team on the card. That might be that's the Raiders. So the Raiders are definitely getting a hit in this one. So that will be thrown in as well as a freebie to you guys. As long as these breaks at least match what I paid for them, I will throw freebies in. Because these breaks are just to grow the group. They're not for any profit for me. So I try to hook you guys up with some extra stuff. So good luck. The list is on the right side of the screen. We got an overarching view up here on the right. You can see the entire table out here. As you can see, my hands match it. Because sometimes cards will be like this and you can't say, but back here you can still see everything that's going on. No funny business. Multi-camera setup. I do adjust my focus for the main camera because my autofocus sucks. But as always, I got no sleeves on. Not pulling anything. No cards up in here. So good luck, everybody. We'll get through these 5 boxes, and then I'll crack open the Gold Rush Extravaganza for the 20 free autographs. Whoops, bumped my camera. Let me set my autofocus so I don't have to fight it the whole time. I don't know why my camera's autofocus is super slow. So here we go. As you can see, the focus is perfect right here. That's why I do that. Get my blade out of the way here. All right, I'm going to run through the base cards. Stop for everything that's not a base vet card. These will still ship. I just don't call them out because it takes a lot of time to call out a bunch of base cards. Alrighty, we got Kenny Stills, 20 out of 50, going to the Dolphins. Ooh, I might run out of penny sleeves here. Maybe not. 20 out of 50, Kenny Stills, Dolphins parallel. And then we got Kalen Ballage, 16 out of 50, going to the Dolphins, rookie parallel. No gloves, no love. Gotta wear the gloves. I try not to touch cards. I do end up touching the base cards with my bare hands when I sort them, but all the rest of these cards, like this card for example, it will never be touched. I'll top load it. No human hand will touch it until it gets to you if you want to touch it. 12 out of 50, Mahomes for the Chiefs. I think all these parallels are numbered to 50 or less. I don't think I've ever seen one out of 99. Some of the autographs are, but... Alrighty, going to the 49ers. We got Dante Pettis. This guy's pretty good. That is 80 out of 99. A little foil, a little bit of foil came off of the number there. 80 out of 99. Going to the Niners. That's Kevin. Hey Jake, you join in right when I pull a 49ers card. Dante Pettis. Then we should have 2 inserts and 4 rookies. Leonard Fournette, human highlight reel for the Jags. Tom Brady, All-Pro. Got Royce Freeman going to the Broncos. Got Josh Allen going to the Bills. There's the Bills. Troy Fumagalli for the Broncos. Oh, I just noticed he's in his college uniform in this. Interesting. Cortland Sutton going to the Broncos. And these are the matte ones. You can kind of tell from the reflection there. They're some of my favorite cards. Kid Reporter. I love the matte. All those matte rookie cards. They're really cool. Box number 2. Alright, base. Look at that, Jason Peters. I'm an Eagles fan, so that's always nice. Nice to see. I do tend to pull Eagles a lot. I guess because I'm an Eagles fan, it's just how it works. We got a super short, or a short print, I should say. It's not super because it's the 15 out of 20, Jared Cook. Gold foil parallel for the Raiders. Super short's 10 or less. This would be a semi-super short. Antonio Brown going to the Steelers, 47 out of 50. Chase Litton, 40 out of 50 for the Chiefs. I don't think Mahomes' starting job is in jeopardy, but there we go, 40 out of 50. And then we got, I know this guy well, I pull a lot of him, DJ Moore going to the Panthers. I think he's pretty good. 44 out of 99. Didn't have an amazing year, but I like DJ Moore. Got a huge Panthers fan in this group. I'm kind of surprised Boyd's not in here right now. 44 out of 99. Going to Doug. Doug's got the Panthers. Little DJ Moore action, 44 out of 99. Deshaun Jackson with the Bucks, light speed insert. Gurley, Rams. We got Damian Ratley for the Browns, rookie. Christian Kirk, rookie, Cardinals. Kyle Allen going to the Panthers. Didn't pan out well for him this year, but he did get a start, a few starts. And we got Laletta going to the Giants, who is actually on the Eagles practice squad now. Mr. Running Over Police Officers quarterback. I'm kind of surprised he didn't get a chance in New York. I mean, obviously they have Daniel Jones now, which I'm sure they're happy with, but kind of thought they would have given Laletta a chance late last year when things fell apart. All right, next box. There's another Eagle there, Fletcher Cox. He's awesome. Alrighty, we got Larry Fitzgerald, 18 out of 50. Going to the Cardinals. Deontay Burnett, 31 out of 50 for the Titans. Stefan Diggs going to the Vikings, 4 out of 50. Going to the Bucks, Adam Humphries. 9 out of 10 super short print. Autograph. It's a nice short print. I like that. Nice super short. Gold parallel. Gold foil parallel. It's always the teams you never expect, it seems. 9 out of 10. Well, not necessarily. I did pull a couple really, really nice one-of-ones out of this product. This is only the 6th time I've done a break of it. I think 3 different ones. So Tampa Bay, that is Steven Olsen with a super short print. Auto, we got Drew Brees, 5,097 completions. That number's way higher now, obviously. Pillars of Excellence, Aaron Rodgers. Malik Jefferson going to the Bengals, rookie. Antonio Callaway for the Browns. Ronnie Harrison for the Jags. Riley Ferguson for the Bucks. 2 more boxes, and then we'll go to the bonus box. Oh, this feels light. Hope they didn't lighten us. I did have one break of this where the box was it was missing all the parallels and the autograph, and that sucked. I ended up just opening up another one for free to make up for it. I never hit up Panini about it. I thought about it, and I was like, nah, screw it. I think I paid 40 a box for this, something like that. So it's not horrible. Get a skunk box. Hopefully that never happens again, though. Is that? Okay, that's the last base card. We got Devonta Freeman. That is 49 out of 50. Going to the Falcons. Gold parallel, 1 out of 20. Justin Reed for the Texans. Nice looking card. Got a little white going on in the bottom left corner there. 1 out of 20. Short print, gold parallel. 47 out of 50. George Kittle for the 49ers. And for the hit, we got Nathan Peterman going to the Bills. That is another super short print. 3 out of 10. Nathan Peterman. I don't think that's a rookie either, is it? No, that's 2017. So there you go. Little bit of a vet card. Obviously, they're good with Josh Allen, but Peterman to the Bills. 3 out of 10. Super short print. Another vet. Alright, we got Tom Brady. Human highlight reel. Adam Vinatieri, franchise leaders for the Colts. And we got Malik Jefferson for the Bengals, rookie. Antonio Callaway. This is like a dupe. Ronnie Harrison for the Jags. Riley Ferguson for the Bucks. I'm pretty sure that those 4 were pulled in that same order from another box. And again, Panini quality control. Doesn't surprise me at all. Alright, final pack of the official break, and then we'll get to the freebies. First up is Marcus Mariota, 2 out of 20, going to the Titans. Whatever happened to this guy? He wasn't even playing this year. I assume he got injured. I didn't keep up with the Titans this year. I know they're in the playoffs, but I didn't hear what happened to Mariota. 2 out of 20. So that's a gold parallel, which I top-loaded early. I do top-load all these parallels. I don't usually do it during the break because of the amount of time it takes. 9 out of 50, Matt Bryant for the Falcons. Nice parallel kicker card. And we got Saquon, 25 out of 50. This one I will top load immediately. Going to the Giants. That's a nice card. Look at that real quick. Got a little bit of whiting around the... That corner's got a hint of white. This one's got a hint. Probably grade a 9. Cool card, though. Cool card. 25 out of 50 going to the Giants. Autograph would be nice, but I'm sure the Giants will take this, which is Donnie. Not bad, not bad. And another one for the Giants. We got Jonathan Stewart. This one is the hit. 1 of 1. Jonathan Stewart going to the Giants. This product does love some 1 of 1s, I'll tell you that. So, signed by Giants on 3/14/18. I'm going to get a 1 touch for this. Actually, I have one right here. So, the Giants back to back with the Saquon. And then the official hit. Not too shabby. There you go, Donnie. Haven't seen Donnie in a break for a while. He gets into this one, gets a 1/1. There you go. Jonathan Stewart, 1 of 1. Giants. Congrats. Nice hit. Round out this pack, and then we get to the freebies. Le'Veon Bell, All-Pro for the Steelers. Zeke, going to the Cowboys. Human highlight reel. We got Jordan Lasley, rookie for the Ravens. Calvin Ridley for the Falcons. Tanner Lee going to the Jags. Chase Edmonds going to the Cardinals to finish out the main break. We do have the freebies coming up. Let me just organize my piles, rather, not sort. I'll sort them later. All right. 2019 Gold Rush Football Autograph Extravaganza, 20 cards per box, being thrown in for free. As a thank you for getting into this break, standard rules do apply. If there is an NFL team on the card, it goes to that team. If it is a college on the card with no NFL team indicated, they will go to their current team if they're in the NFL. If they are not in the NFL, it will go to their longest tenured team. If they've never been in the NFL, it will go to the random. Nice if I can get this open. Where's my flat head? Do I have a flat head? No, but I got a standard head here. Why do they make these boxes so hard to open? All right, first up, John Wetzel, offensive tackle going to the Raiders. Topps Magic, 2013 Topps. Sticker autograph. Going to the Raiders. Kevin. We got Garrett Gilbert, quarterback, going to the Rams. 2014 Topps Valiant. These cards are nice. There's usually nothing big in these Gold Rush Extravaganza packs in terms of super valuable cards, but if it's your personal team, sometimes you get something decent for it that you'll like. A little retrospect, little player. Ryan Swope going to the Cardinals from Topps Strata, 2013. Never know what's going to come out of this. I've never seen anything huge come out, but I've seen some decent cards come out. I pulled a couple of Eagles that I would have liked to have had myself as an Eagles fan. So it's nice if you got your personal team in here. That one goes to Doug, who had the Rams. That was Thomas. All right, so we got, going to the Falcons, Desmond Trufant. 712 out of 999. Imagine having 999 stickers set in front of you and just signing them for hours upon hours. I'm sure they get paid well for it, but seems like a lot of work. 1,000 autographs just for this one product. 2013 Panini certified for the Falcons. It's Andrew, right? Is that what yeah, Andrew. Theo Riddick. Going to the Lions from Select. Select 2013, 68 out of 199 is the print number. Freebie for the Lions here. Theo should have been bigger in the league. I'm kind of surprised he never struck gold per se. John Madsden. John Madsen. Going to the Raiders. 2005 authentic signature. Is that what that says? It's got a little imprint right there. 2005. So it's 2006 Donruss playoff. John Madsen. Cool card. That's real old. 2006. 13 years old. Almost 14 now. 14-year-old card right there. Rookie ticket. These are the early tickets from Contenders back in the day. Playoff Contenders 2006. Not to be confused with John Madden. It's John Madsen. Dustin Hopkins going to the Bills. That's kind of cool. Panini Contenders 2013 rookie. That's a decent card. If you're a Bills fan, that's kind of cool. 2013 Contenders. That's neat. Hey Robert, man, you didn't get the Bills in this, dude. Missed out on a couple decent little cards here. It happens. It happens. I don't even know if my chat's working. I haven't seen anybody chatting with me tonight. You guys are supposed to entertain me. It's your job. Nah, it's my job to entertain you. Rob Heron. Authentic signature. Unknown team. Leaf Draft 2014. Let me look it up real quick. Looks like the Bucks. Drafted by the Bucks. Yeah, 2 seasons with the Bucks. 2 full seasons with the Bucks, it looks like. Right, let me confirm this is the right guy. Yeah, Tampa Bay. Yep, so this one goes to the Bucks. This goes to Tampa Bay. I'll mark it right now. Bucks. Going to Steven. Working on my video feed here. It's a little behind. You guys could still see this, right? I can't tell. It looks like super delayed for me. Darian Thompson going to the Giants. Rookie ticket from 2016 Contenders. Yeah, I did like those 80s uniforms. I like the throwbacks. I'm a fan of those. I think they should do one every year. Like the team should always do them. I don't think they even let them anymore. Like the Eagles. Well, I'm not a big fan of the Eagles that they did against the Lions in 2000. What was it, 2006 when they did them? But some of the throwbacks were cool. I like the I like the Steelers ones, the Bumblebee. I think they're kind of cool. Darian Thompson for the Giants, again, 2016. Jawan Jameson, Leaf Draft, 2013. Look this guy up. He played a full season with the Redskins, and then he was on the practice squad of the Steelers. So, Redskins. Playing for a team gives them more power than a practice squad. Redskins. Oh, knocking over the pile over here. Oh, this is a cool card. Look at this one. Debut numbers. Marion Gase. Look at that card. 111 out of 199. That is a sweet looking card. They need to do more like this. Elite 2014. I think it's cool, man. It's a cool card. I like that. Acetate, pure acetate card. Completely transparent. It's pretty cool. That's the Chargers, by the way. Doesn't say it anywhere, but you can see the Chargers logo on his shoulder and on the back there. 111 out of 199. Pretty cool. Rashad Fenton. Upper Deck USA Football. Look it up. Look this guy up. Chiefs. 2019 6th round pick. Is that right? No, that can't be right because this is 2015 football. Let me look again. I think it's the same. It shouldn't be the same guy. No, cornerback. Okay. Yeah, Kansas City. That is the guy. Wow, that's 2015 card. He wasn't drafted till this year. Looks like the same guy. Cornerback. Does it say college on here? That's weird. What was it, like a junior in college when he got this card? Carroll City. Maybe that's the case. Yep, that's the guy. So that goes to the Chiefs. Wow, I didn't expect that. That's a weird. He's a rookie this year, and this is a 2015 card. Going to the Chiefs. I'll triple check that later before I get these shipped out just to make sure. All right, next up, going to the Jets, Walter Powell. Rookie ticket, 2014 Contenders. No number. That card looks old. I don't know if that's just the print. It's got some yellowing to it. One for the Jets. 1 sec. I am out of penny sleeves. Grab some out of my stock. What's my phone buzzing for? Sorry guys, one sec. Alrighty, back at it. We got, oh, look at this, we got a dual autograph, USA Football, Maxim Moore and Garrett Richter. Both on the offensive line of the USA team. So this might be a random. I'm going to hang on to this for a minute. I'll look it up in a second. Kenyon Barner going to the Panthers. It's pretty cool looking card. 488 out of 599 from 2013 Panini Momentum. Got the right size. Doesn't look like the right size to me. I get a different top loader. I want to make sure I put it in the right one. Try this one. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Kenyon Barner. One for the Panthers to go along with that DJ Moore. Panini Elite Draft Picks, Gabe Marks. 2017 Elite Draft Picks. I'll have to look this guy up as well. Gabe Marks. I'll look him up real quick. Jets. Gabe Marks goes to the Jets. Freebie for the Jets. Oh, upside down. And we got TJ Logan going to the Cardinals from 2017 Contenders. Going to Doug. Oh, this is a cool card. Look at this one. Robert Turbin, running back, going to the Seahawks from Bowman. That's a rookie prism. 2012. Cool looking card. College uniform, but that's a, it's like a, I don't know if you can tell, it's like a 3D helmet there. It's got like a laser etching around it. It's a pretty cool looking card. For the Seahawks. Pretty neat. I like that card. Seattle with a hit. On a Thomas. There's another one of these sweet prisms. Going to the Jets. Trevor Riley. Look at that prism. Just numbered out of 9 out of 35. Cool card there for the Jets. It's a pretty neat looking card. I like those. Some of the prisms are nice looking. Even the older ones like this. Free one for the Jets. And then we got, going to the Titans, Bliddy Ray Wilson, cornerback. Topps Magic. So 2006, 2013. I was way off on that one. 2013 Topps Magic for the Titans. I love who's spreading this a little bit. I still got one card to look up. There's one for Tennessee. That is Steven. I'm going to look this one up real quick. Maxim Moore and Garrett Richter. If I can figure out where that goes. No NFL team for Maxim Moore. And no NFL team for Garrett Richter. So this will go to random. I'll run this random right now. Alright, fresh list. 32 NFL teams. So this will go to the top team after 5 randoms. For the dual auto. 1, 2, 3, 4, and final time goes to the Panthers 5 times. Carolina. Yeah, no problem, Mark. Thanks for checking it out. I'll have breaks posted here in the Facebook group as well. If you're interested, they're flat priced. They're not auction based. You can kind of scroll through the group if you want and see how they work. It's like a first come first served. If you're interested in that, I usually give at least 2 hours notice. Like, hey, I'm going to post a break up here. Usually there'll be a price preview, so you know what the teams are going to cost. And they're flat. Just a flat rate, shipping included and all that. That goes to the Panthers. So check that out if you're interested. If not, there will be more breaks on eBay. I'm going to post up some other stuff probably next week, I'm thinking. Some additional products. I do have some more of this, but I'm actually almost out, and you can't get this anymore, so I won't be breaking much more of this. All right, quick recap. We had Marcus Mariota out of 20. We got Matt Bryant out of 50, George Kittle out of 50, Justin Reed 1 out of 20, Devontae Freeman out of 50, Stephon Diggs out of 50, Deontay Burnett out of 50, Larry Fitz out of 50, Chase Litton out of 50, Antonio Brown out of 50, Jared Cook 15 out of 20, Mahomes out of 50, Kalen Ballage out of 50, and Kenny Stills out of 50. So a lot of those were out of 50. We had more short prints in the earlier break tonight. And we did have all these base cards. We did have a few inserts. All of these cards will ship. We had a pile of rookie cards here, including a parallel version of Saquon. 25 out of 50, which is essentially a hit. Shouldn't even have had that in the rookie pile. But it is a rookie, so those will all ship. All right, let me go through the freebies first. Here's all the freebies. Richter and Moore from USA Football went to the Panthers via random. Blitty Ray Wilson going to the Titans. Trevor Riley for the Jets. We got Robert Turbin for the Seahawks. TJ Logan going to the Cardinals. Got Gabe Marks going to the Jets. Kenyon Barner for the Panthers. Walter Powell going to the Jets. Rashad Fenton, Chiefs. Here's that cool, look at that card. It's pretty cool. I like that. I guess I'm easily impressed. Marion Grace at 199 going to the Chargers. Jawan Jameson going to the Redskins. Darian Thompson for the Giants. Rob Heron going to the Bucks. Dustin Hopkins going to the Bills. I like that card. Got John Madsen going to the Raiders. Theo Riddick for the Lions. Desmond Trufant, New Generation. That goes to the Falcons. Ryan Swope for the Cardinals. Garrett Gilbert going to the Rams. John Wetzel for the Raiders. Those are the free ones. Freebie bonuses. And then we got the official hits from the break. Got Nathan Peterman, 3 out of 10 super short print going to the Bills. Got Adam Humphries, 9 out of 10 going to the Bucks. DJ Moore out of 99 for the Panthers. Got Dante Pettis out of 99 for the 49ers. And then we got Jonathan Stewart going to the Giants. 1 of 1. 1 of 1 autograph for the Giants. I know he's in a Panthers uniform, but that is a New York card because he was traded. There you go. Big hit of the night. Any 1 of 1's a good hit. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There's your break. As always, if you skunked on this, meaning you get no autograph at all, I'll make sure you get at least an extra pack of cards, if not some extra stuff in addition to that. Nobody goes home empty-handed, so I'll make sure everybody gets a little something out of this break to show my appreciation for you getting into it, in addition to the freebie that I already gave away of the 20 autographs. So I hope you guys like it. Hope you stick with the group. Like I said, I do post breaks directly up in the group here. I'm taking a small break from that. I might post one up this week, just like a small one, just to kind of grow the group so that the breaks don't take too long to fill up. We got a few hundred members now, so we're doing pretty good. I've been a breaker for a little over 2 years now. Started out doing it just for fun. It is a business now, though I don't do it as a career. I have a separate career from this, so it's mainly for fun still, but trying to be right with the tax man. Yep, thanks Billy, Mark, I appreciate it. Appreciate all you guys and gals getting into this break, and I hope to see you in another one in the future. Thanks everybody. Hope you had fun, and like I said, you will get something. Even if you missed out in the main part of the break, I'll make sure you get something in the mail. Alright guys, hope to see you in the next one. Have a wonderful night. Thanks again. Enjoy your evening. Happy New Year.